social health and equity covers the impact on the communities that our products have. Um, Both Superior, Essex, and Legrand both have extensive CSR programs. Legrand's CSR roadmap covers it's immense. It covers everything. Same with Superior Essex's Mission Next program. So focusing on how our hiring practices are promoting vibrancy in our workplaces, how our manufacturing facilities participate in the communities as um, uh, positive forces in their communities, and then how we are giving back to those communities as well through charitable giving, volunteering, um, and other action. So holistically, not just on the product side, not just on the manufacturing side, but holistically, how are we acting as positive corporate citizens?